In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix AI to create a website, no coding needed. To get started, head over to Wix and either create a free account or log into your existing one. Once you're on your dashboard, select the option to create a new site. From there, choose the AI website builder so Wix can begin guiding you through the setup process. Wix AI will ask a few questions to understand what kind of website you want to build. This part is important because the more clearly you describe your business and goals, the better the generated website will match your needs. You'll typically enter details like your business name, your industry, the products or services you offer, your target audience, and the main goal of your site. For example, you might explain that you run a digital marketing agency that helps small businesses grow through social media management and SEO services. Next, continue answering the setup questions as accurately as possible. Wix may ask what type of website you need, what features should be included, whether you want online booking, whether you plan to sell products, and what visual style you prefer. Based on your answers, Wix AI will automatically generate a website layout, color palette, fonts, images, pages, and some basic content. Once the site is created, take time to review everything carefully. Look through the homepage, about page, services page, contact page, and navigation menu. Make note of any sections that need to be changed so you can improve them in the next step. Now begin customizing the design using Wix's drag and drop editor. You can adjust the colors, fonts, images, buttons, layout sections, and backgrounds without writing any code. After that, replace the placeholder content with your own business information, services, testimonials, contact details, and calls to action, so the site feels authentic and complete. Depending on your goals, you can also add essential features such as contact forms, appointment booking, an online store, a blog, live chat, or a newsletter sign-up. Then switch to the mobile preview and make sure the site looks polished on phones and tablets by checking text readability, button placement, image sizing, and navigation menus. Before you publish, open the SEO settings and update your page titles, meta descriptions, URL slugs, and image alt text. If you already have a domain name, go into Settings, select Domains, and follow the prompts to connect it. Finally, preview your website and test everything. Click links, submit forms, review your content, check mobile responsiveness, and make sure pages load properly. When everything looks good, click Publish to put your website live. After launch, keep improving it by adding new content, monitoring analytics, refining SEO, updating images and services, and expanding the site as your business grows.